Hey everyone, welcome back to the Greeting Farm channel. It is Claudette with you, back for another video and back with another surprise. I'm so excited for this set. It is another cheeky set, as most of you guys guessed on our Instagram and our Facebook fan page, and I really enjoyed seeing what you guys were guessing. There were quite a few that knew one character in this. It was hard not to not guess it was this person, and that's why I previewed her with another famous one, but she wasn't as recognizable as the one that mostly everybody guessed, but one person I believe guessed her correctly on Facebook, so congrats to you guys. Sharp eyes, good guess. So let me just go over this real quick with you. For those who are new to the Greeting Farm channel, or for the Greeting Farm period, I'm going to explain the pre-order process and the dates and the price, and when we're expecting the order to come in. For those who are familiar with it, you might want to, well, you probably would stick around to see the actual stamp and the stamp set, and then the price. Well, you should know the price, but the dates of pre-order, which is soon. So today is March 2nd as the video goes up, so keep that in mind, March 2nd. So let's quickly go over this stamp set. I'm not going to take too long because everything is pretty much self-explanatory, and I want you guys to hurry up and mark it on your calendars and be prepared for this release. All right, there you go. This is the kit that is coming out for pre-order on March 3rd through the 8th, okay? Mark that in your calendars. All right, let's quickly go over this. As most of you guys guessed, this is Sia. This one can be J-Lo or Mariah. This one can be Beyonce or Faith Hill. This one is Pink, Katy Perry, Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, Gwen Stefani, Britney Spears, and Rihanna. So this is 10 cheekies in this kit, and this, let me just tell you what it's called before I go any further. This one is called Cheeky Divas, and you get 10 cheekies, and they are the divas of our time. And you don't necessarily have to use this as pop stars of today. You can make them, you know, some of them are pretty versatile where you could use them for everyday cards or projects. I just want to make that clear, except for Sia. You probably can't, but I had enjoyed coloring her, and this one is the most recognizable. These two are the ones I had put up in the preview, the sneak peek, and like I said, one person guessed this was Beyonce, but mostly everybody knew immediately who this one was. All right, so let's go over the words that come with the set and sentiments. We've got R&B, rap, record. We've got also a sparkle. This one is a microphone. You've got talent, happy birthday to you, a record, a lightning bolt, you're off the charts, pop, rock, sing it, this song's for you, your music to my ears. We've got country, we've got a Grammy, trophy, star, jazz, music notes, play button, and hip hop. Those are the extras that you get in this kit. If you're familiar, we normally, when it's not a big kit and it's not a pre-sale, you usually get one cheeky and a sentiment and maybe a little element that goes along with her. But with this set, you've got 10 cheekies, 14, I think, words / sentiments, and then a little element sprinkled throughout, like all these microphones, these and these, to complete your scene or your card or projects that you, whatever you're going for, you have enough elements to create that scene. Okay, so let's get into the details of the pre-order. Pre-order starts tomorrow, March 3rd through the 8th of March, and the price for the pre-order is $40. Once the pre-order is over, and if we have leftovers, which will go into the store, it will be at the regular price of $50. So keep that in mind, that you know you want to pre-order it, because one, you're guaranteed a set and you're guaranteed the pre-order price of $40. Now, if you forgot or you didn't see this video in time, whatever we have left over from the pre-order will go into the store. So I can't guarantee the numbers of whatever's left from the order. I don't know if there's going to be a second run. Maybe if there's a high demand, I'm not sure. But it's usually 1 to 2 runs depending on the demand for it. I don't want to say It's never going to be back in the store because it might be back during farmer's market, but that's a long way off because this is such a new kit, and it also is per demand. So I highly recommend, if you really want this set, to please pre-order it, because we hate for you to miss out, and we hate feeling, you know, we're so sad when we see you guys text us saying you missed out, you didn't see this video, or you didn't know, you're off social media. Whatever the case is, we feel really bad that you weren't able to get it in time. So it will be, whatever's left will be in the store, but I cannot guarantee there's going to be much. It usually runs out fast. People are really quick when they order these, and so that's why I highly encourage those of you guys who are watching to please pre-order this stamp set. Or if you guys have any questions regarding this, please don't hesitate to ask down below. I will get back to you as soon as I see them. I will try to look. I won't try. I will look on this YouTube video to ensure that I answered everybody's questions so that you could buy it in time before the preview ends. The pre-order ends, I'm sorry. So yeah, this is the kit, and we can't wait to see what you create with it. I'm really excited because I'm trying to think how to create this as celebrity type cards. For some reason I'm stumped, but I have lots of ideas on how to use this as, you know, non-celebrity type chickies. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this look at the new Cheeky Divas stamp sets, and I hope you're as excited as I am with this set. So I will see you soon, and have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.